What's up guys, this is the Prodigy 396 and today we're going to be unboxing the Airpods Pro, which is the Powerbeats Pro. But the thing is that they hurt my ears real bad because right when this thing wraps around it, I actually had ear damage. There's like a scab on my ear now, so that's why I got the Airpods Pros. Anyway guys, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. As you guys can see, I got a brand new unboxing knife. I actually use this on my gaming channel. If you guys want to subscribe to my gaming channel, it's FearlessGamer95. So here's the knife right there. So let's go ahead and actually wait, we don't even need this. I forgot there's a pull tab here. So let's pull the tab here. Pull it. I totally forgot that Apple did this. That's more convenient actually. I'm also sorry for the photography here because like I'm actually recording with like one hand. So my first time ever using the Airpods Pro. I was going to get the Airpods Pro 3, but I don't know. I like the noise cancellation. I can't talk today, I'm sorry. But you guys know what I mean. So if you guys look at the back, it is MagSafe charging. So I could use my MagSafe charging and just put this on the wireless charger and it'll charge that way. Or we can use the lightning cable. And that's the features in the back. I wonder if they actually tell you like all the features here. No, it just says MagSafe charging. By Apple California, made in Vietnam. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead and lift this up. There you go. As you guys can see here, designed by Apple in California. You guys should already know what's in here. I'm going to show you guys anyway. So here's your Airpods Pro. It shows you everything on how to get it connected and started. I might have to look at this since it's my first time using it. You got your warranties, English and Spanish. And sadly, you don't get Apple stickers. That's tough. So here they are right here. Here is the Apple Airpods Pro in this nice case. Looks really cool. So let's go ahead and move that to the side. Let's go ahead and lift this up. And under here, you just get the extra ear tips for different size ear holes. And then you get your lightning cable to USB Type-C cable. That's okay. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so that should be fine. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the ear tips here. I'm not going to actually open them because I don't think I'm going to need them. But if I do, I'm going to put them right back here in the box. Back in the box, let's go ahead and close that. And let's go ahead and unbox the actual product itself. And there you go. Here is the Airpods Pro. This is what the front of it looks like. The back, designed by Apple California, assembled in Vietnam. Just press and hold that button to get it started. I'm not going to do a setup or anything. I just want to show you guys the unboxing. So, yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to check out my gaming channel. Again, that's FearlessGamer95. I'm more active there instead of here. And I'll see you guys on my next video.